Hi there, I'm Matthew Beattie with Expedition Old Growth, British Columbia, and we are in the canopy of an ancient Douglas fir in Stateless First Nation territory. So today we're out here with the Yervana crew. We are in the overstory of an emergent Douglas fir. With Expedition Old Growth, our aim is to educate people on the current state of logging of ancient forests in British Columbia and the Northwest in general. Using ropes and non-invasive systems, we get people into the canopies and really just try to show them these uncharted environments that not a lot of people have been to. And as much as it's all very controlled and safe, there is a lot of adrenaline associated with it because we are a couple hundred feet above the ground, pretty exposed in the elements.